Hello, and welcome everyone. If you're new to the world of making money online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how you can join the Master Affiliate Profits platform for free and begin your journey towards online income with zero financial barriers. You heard that right. Beginners can join Master Affiliate Profits without spending a dime, and it gets even better. Dori O'Neill gives you the chance to take a free test drive of this incredible program. Before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips on making money online. Also, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with any questions or thoughts you have. So, what's this free test drive all about? It provides you with a real-life demonstration of the done-for-you YouTube viral funnel that you'll get for free when you join as a member of Master Affiliate Profits. Let's break it down. Free members receive a templated version of this funnel valued at $2,000. Meanwhile, paid members get the full done-for-you version valued at $5,000, which is pre-built by the Groove Pages agency team. What's even more remarkable is that Dori O'Neill hosts and maintains the site at no cost to you. Both free and paid Master Affiliate members will receive done-for-you email sequences for their 10-part YouTube viral funnel, and for their integrated private autoresponder. The latter sequence is pre-written and designed to onboard your new Master Affiliate Profits members by offering them access to Dori O'Neill's 10-part YouTube viral funnel and the same bonuses that you've received. Dori is giving away these incredible bonuses because it aligns with his primary mission: to help people make money online. Dori's dedication to this mission is unwavering, and he realizes that one of the best ways to accomplish this is by providing you with high-quality, proven tools and support systems right from the start. But Dori is not alone in this mission. He is backed by an entire team committed to ensuring your success. To further enhance your journey, all members gain free access to interactive online training sessions where they can receive the help and support they need. These sessions are designed to offer real-time assistance, answer your questions, and provide you with the tools and strategies essential for succeeding in the competitive world of online marketing. This means you'll never feel alone or unsupported. There's a whole community dedicated to your success. Now, let's dive deeper into these phenomenal bonuses. First, the 10-part YouTube viral funnel. This funnel is a turnkey solution that targets and attracts high-quality, organic traffic from YouTube. It's designed to engage potential customers through a sequence of valuable content, converting viewers into subscribers and ultimately paying customers. Each part of the funnel is meticulously crafted to captivate your audience and drive action, making it an invaluable tool for any aspiring affiliate marketer. Second, the email sequences. You don't have to worry about writing compelling emails or setting up your autoresponder. These sequences are already done for you. The first sequence is designed to complement the 10-part YouTube viral funnel, ensuring that your leads are nurtured through consistent and engaging content. The email sequences guide your leads from initial interest to making a purchase, significantly increasing your conversion rates. The second sequence facilitates the onboarding of new members into the Master Affiliate Profits program, incorporating Dori O'Neill's 10-part YouTube viral funnel and other bonuses, ensuring your new members receive the same powerful tools that helped you succeed. The additional done-for-you bonuses include Dori O'Neill's Daily Dose, 365 Days of Motivation email sequence. This is a year-long email sequence designed to keep you motivated and focused on your marketing goals. Each day, you'll receive an email packed with insights, tips, and inspiration to help you stay on track and continue driving your online success. Imagine waking up every day to a motivational email that not only boosts your spirits but also provides practical strategies to enhance your marketing efforts. This sequence is designed to keep you engaged and consistently motivated, something that's often overlooked but crucial for long-term success. Next, we have the free organic traffic system. Traffic is the lifeblood of any online business, and this system is designed to generate organic traffic without any financial investment. The system leverages sophisticated strategies to drive high-quality traffic to your offers, ensuring that you have a steady stream of potential customers. Organic traffic means you're attracting visitors who are genuinely interested in your content or products, leading to higher conversion rates and more sustainable income. By utilizing this system, you'll learn how to harness the power of various online channels to drive traffic to your offer seamlessly. In addition to these, you'll gain exclusive access to ongoing live training sessions. These sessions are conducted by Dori O'Neill himself and feature industry experts who share their knowledge and strategies to help you maximize your earnings. The live training covers a wide range of topics, from advanced marketing techniques to the latest trends in affiliate marketing. These interactive sessions allow you to ask questions, get real-time feedback, and learn from the best in the business. Being able to attend these live training sessions is like having a personal mentor guiding you every step of the way. All members receive giveaway rights for all of these bonuses provided that they enroll via Dori O'Neill's Master Affiliate Profits affiliate link or a member of his team. The best part? There is no direct cost for any of these bonuses. The only requirement is that you acquire an AWeber account via Dori O'Neill's AWeber affiliate link. This small affiliate commission helps offset the costs for hosting and maintaining the system. Acquiring an AWeber account is straightforward. Once you set it up, you'll have a reliable email marketing tool that integrates seamlessly with all the done-for-you systems provided. This integration ensures that your marketing efforts are streamlined and highly effective, giving you more time to focus on other aspects of your business. So, why wait? Take the free test drive and see for yourself how effective these tools are in boosting your online income. Head over to yesshowme.com/map to get started without any risk. In conclusion, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Your feedback helps us improve and bring you more valuable content in the future. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to your online success with Master Affiliate Profits. Remember, you can start your journey towards financial freedom today by simply taking that first step. Click the link below to commence your free test drive and unlock your potential with these exclusive, done-for-you tools and bonuses. Let's make money online together with Master Affiliate Profits. Thank you for watching, and see you on the other side.